How to choose and combine guest versus host backups for Hyper-V. If you've ever restored a Hyper-V backup only to realize you can recover the whole VM but not that one corrupted database, then you should familiarize yourself with VM host versus guest backups. In this video, we'll explain what host level and guest level Hyper-V backups are and when to use each one. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Discover and classify your workloads. Start by documenting every VM, assigning RPO and RTO targets, and identifying each workload as a candidate for host backups, guest backups, or a blended approach. Choose the right mode for each workload. Use guest backup when you need application-consistent data and granular item-level restores. This works best for SQL, Exchange, or Active Directory as they rely on Volume Shadow Copy Service, or VSS, coordination. Host backups protect large numbers of VMs efficiently and support fast, full VM recovery. This works best for stateless services, front-end tiers, and workloads that can tolerate a bit more data loss. Use a blended approach for Tier 1 or business-critical workloads that require both fast VM recovery and granular item-level recovery. Prepare Hyper-V and your VMs for clean protection. Verify VSS writers are stable and update Hyper-V integration services or modern guest components. If an app lacks native VSS support, configure pre- and post scripts. Review your storage layout, CSV configuration, and cluster activity. High I/O periods can introduce snapshot delays or temporary pauses, so adjust backup windows accordingly. Implement guest backups. Deploy your agents with the least privileges, then enable application-aware processing and document your restore workflows. Run test restores for both small and large times, then record how long they take so you can set realistic expectations. Implement host backups. Implement host backups by enabling Hyper-V checkpoints and change block tracking features to help keep backup windows short. Test full VM restores and instant recovery scenarios so that you can tell if your RTO targets need adjustments or not. Operate a blended strategy. Run test restores for both small items and larger components, then record how long they take so you can set realistic recovery expectations. Never run both on the same VM simultaneously. Avoid VSS contention by timing schedules. Then, document which restore path to use first for each workload so you know whether to start at the VM level or the application level. Monitor, test, and report. Continue to keep track of backup success rates, VSS stability, snapshot behavior, and any workload that regularly misses its RPO. Run monthly restore drills covering item-level restore from a backup, a single VM restore from a host, and multi-VM recovery for blended approaches. Build a simple scorecard to demonstrate backup health and restore performance to stakeholders. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to choose and combine guest versus host backups for Hyper-V, linked in the description below.